Today, we're diving into a comprehensive review of the brand new Insta360 X5, the latest addition to the world of 360-degree action cameras. With a sleek new design, boosted low-light performance, faster processing, and a whole bunch of upgraded accessories, the X5 isn't just a minor refresh, it's a serious contender for the best 360 camera crown. We're talking 5.7K video at 60 frames per second, better battery life, a reimagined bullet time stick, gesture controls, and it's waterproof up to 15 meters without a case. So, it seems like this 360 camera has it all for the $550 price tag. But the big question is, does it live up to its promises? Well, let's dive into a detailed review of these features and see whether this matches your style and needs. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Starting off with the design, the Insta360 X5 definitely steps it up in this department. At first glance, you might mistake the X5 for its predecessor X4, because they're pretty similar in size and shape. The first thing you'll notice is the angular facelift on the front, which gives it a sharper, more modern look. Just under the lens is a new hexagonal grille that hides the main microphone and helps cut down wind and background noise, and it actually works. You've still got the rubberized edges for easy grip, and the build quality feels solid and reliable, just like its predecessors. It's also now waterproof to 15 meters without a case, which is a huge plus if you're planning underwater shots or riding through heavy rain. There's a standard 1/4 of an inch mount at the bottom, and a magnetic mounting system borrowed from the Ace Pro line. And while the lens guards do stick out a bit, they're necessary and easily removable, so no complaints there. If you're into extreme sports or vlogging in unpredictable environments, this camera's design will have your back. Moving on to usability. The Insta360 X5 is all about giving you more control if you prefer to just let the tech do the work. You've got a responsive touchscreen on the rear for navigating settings, a conveniently placed shutter button, and a dedicated Q button to switch modes quickly. But where it gets cool is the gesture controls. It recognizes not just palm and peace signs, but even a little twist of the camera. That makes solo shooting a breeze. The app interface has been cleaned up too, with more intuitive menus and better tracking features. Insta360 also gives you plenty of mounting options, including my personal favorite for cycling, the front floating pole mount that makes your footage look like it's shot by a drone. So whether you're riding, skiing, hiking, or just hanging out with friends, this camera is ready to capture the action without getting in your way. For creators who need hands-free or quick one-handed control, this camera's got you covered. When it comes to accessories, Insta360 rolled out the red carpet for the X5. The big headliner is the Bullet Time Selfie Stick 2.0. Now, if you've never used one of these, it's basically your ticket to Matrix-style shots where the camera orbits around you while you stay frozen in time. The new version extends to a full 47.5 inches and includes an adjustable angle locking system between 65 degrees and 90 degrees. That sounds minor, but trust me, it makes a huge difference in how secure and comfortable it feels to swing around. It's also lighter and more natural to hold than the previous version. Insta360 also offers an Essentials bundle that includes a fast-charging case, extra battery, lens guards, and their invisible selfie stick, basically everything you'd need to go full-on creator mode right out of the box. So if you're a content creator, outdoor adventurer, or even a casual weekend vlogger, these accessories really complete the experience and let you get more creative with less hassle. In terms of performance and image quality, the X5 shines literally. The 5.7K video at 60 frames per second is crisp, smooth, and rich in detail. You'll especially notice it in high-motion clips or action scenes. And for 360 footage, that clarity matters. The still image resolution tops out at 72 megapixels, and while you might still catch a faint stitch line in fast-paced movement or close-up areas, the improvement is real. More importantly, low-light handling has leveled up. Thanks to the pure video mode and new processing muscle under the hood, it captures darker scenes with more dynamic range and less noise than ever before. That's a game changer if you're filming indoors, during golden hour, or on the go. And despite all that power, it doesn't overheat quickly, which was a gripe with some older models. For action seekers, vloggers, or pros wanting flexibility and solid visuals without lugging around multiple cameras, the X5 delivers big time. When it comes to the app and battery upgrades, Insta360's mobile app now supports full AI-driven edits, meaning you can film an entire biking trip, hit a few buttons, and get a polished highlight reel ready to share. You can also track subjects automatically and add effects like GPS overlays, though a few features might take a minute to locate if you're used to older versions of the app. On the other hand, the battery has been boosted to give you up to 185 minutes in endurance mode, and I didn't quite hit that number, but it was definitely longer than the X4. Fast charging is a massive plus too. You can get over 80% charge in just about 20 minutes, which is perfect if you're out on a shoot and need a quick top-up. So, if you're planning long days of shooting, the X5's improved battery and app tools mean less fiddling and more filming. For solo creators or anyone who values speed and efficiency, this upgrade hits the mark. As for my final verdict, the Insta360 X5 is a top-tier 360-degree camera that checks a lot of boxes. It brings smarter features, better low-light capability, faster performance, and a more refined design while keeping the fun and flexibility that made its predecessors great. If you're serious about immersive video, whether you're an athlete, adventurer, or content creator, the Insta360 X5 is the best 360-degree camera out there right now. If you've enjoyed this review, make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and let us know in the comments if you're planning to pick up the X5 or sticking with your current setup.